I was sitting in my coffee as every day. I'm doing it. It's the best coffee. See, yes, we do have the best coffee, and he is right. And you know that how much I like coffee. But because we got the message, Dominic and I and everyone else, that we're going to have a missile attack from Iran to see the families of that street that got no shelter. They are going to the municipality shelter, and we are going there too, Dominic and me, Dominic and I. The children are happy because it's kind of a game. All right, we had the siren, now we have 10 minutes, and hey, that's my barista guy. And we have to go to the shelter. We do have a gap of around 10 minutes before we will hear the siren. We are now at Tel Aviv, and we were planning to visit Jaffa. Then I think after that case, we will reach Jaffa. Dominic, turn right. Yeah, this is the hidden entrance.
לשם, בואי פה זה יותר מהר, שם תראי זה טוב.
זה אותו מקלט.
זה אותו מקלט?
כן, 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 הוא פשוט ענם.
אנחנו נתפוס פינה.
Dominic, can I wait for the siren? You want to go to the shelter?
Yeah, we'll wait for the siren.
All right, and then we'll go in. Yeah.
If there is some place for us.
Don't worry, we will find a place to stand. It's a huge place. It's like a big 2 holes.
Okay. You're still filming?
Of course I'm filming.
Next time, like the other one.
Yeah, I don't know about the other one. Which one?
Bigger.
Where?
מרכזיה.
איזה מרכזיה?
שם. זה פשוט. I'm walking on.
The other building?
Okay.
There's another one? Then why did you choose that one?
This is my second house. Dog park. I have a dog.
All right. Okay.
Second house.
Okay. I didn't know about the other one.
Yeah, but I mean,
It's happened to us when we went to Jerusalem. Just before we took the bus to Jerusalem, we had a siren.
Right, when the Christian quarter.
Yes. No. At the beginning of the day, remember? Yeah. And we had a wonderful tour in Jerusalem. Then now we're gonna have another wonderful tour in Jaffa after that.
After that small little incident.
A small incident, yeah, we got used to it. Yesterday at, I think it was 4 a.m. or 3 a.m., they sent us only one missile, but we entered to the bomb shelters in our area. Look how beautiful Tel Aviv is. Let me take a picture of that. And we have to thank him because he prepared our coffee. Well, Dominic, you are leaving me tomorrow. Yeah, you're going back to Frankfurt.
Wow, it's a long way to Frankfurt.
Yeah, a long way, yeah, but a long way.
To Elad,
And then to Cairo. Yeah. Complaints. It's do you prefer to stay here?
I would prefer to stay here.
Then stay here.
Holiday hour over.
Stay here. I do have a place in my. Well, I say that sentence 2 years ago. I need to go back to my work, and as you can see, I'm still alive. Started with the war with Gaza, and then with Lebanon, and now with the Iranians. What left from us? The Turkish. Erdogan. I think we hear the booms, but it's actually far away. Yeah, then the siren is not on here in Tel Aviv. Not yet. Not yet. And we don't know. Maybe it's a false alarm. But even that is good for a video. Everything is good for a video. We are at the dogs park. We have special parks for our pets. I brought my Coco, my dog, to here. She was afraid. She's too small for them. And we got it from the rescue house. We decided to take the ugliest dog ever. And guys, she's the most beautiful dog that you could actually dream on. She hears the siren a few, I don't know, less than a few seconds. Oh wow, we heard it. We heard it, we heard the boom, and you see people are entering now, but the siren is not on here. Then I will stay outside. Then the Iranian are targeting different places. We had only one boom, second boom, third boom, fourth, five. Oh, lots of booms. I hope that you can hear it. Yeah, wow, lots of. I don't know. Maybe it's the new missile. I don't know. I don't know.
One missile which separates.
It separates a few. Yeah, yeah, but it's not here.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Wow, can hear a lot. But it looks like it's more east. Yeah, more east. Should we go downstairs to show to see what's happening, or because I like it here as well.
Yeah, there's no Sirens yet. So
no, I think it's not. It won't be here. We can go to drink coffee. It's. I didn't complete my coffee. Yeah. I don't mind. Yeah. No, I used to laugh at my mother that used to drink a cup of coffee for like 10 hours. I became like my mother. It's, I think, yeah, the target, I don't know, they target Israel, and they realize that they're not going to target that part of Tel Aviv. It might be that there were sirens in the other part of Tel Aviv, or there is kind of a mistake. The alarm, yeah, let me show you where it is. Where it's supposed to be here somewhere, I remember. The siren tower. Forgot where it is. There's this kind of a No, that's too small. It's a big one. I remember that I used to see it. Aha, here it is, here it is, here it is, here it is. See between the trees there? That is the one.
What are you supposed to do? You have the app, and if there's alarm on the app, you are supposed to go to the shelter.
No, yeah, but no.
When you hear the alarm, the siren.
Yes, now I have to. Yeah, the idea is if you are getting the app's message, I have to be as close as I can to. Yeah, and I know that it will take something like 10 minutes until something will happen, and then we're hearing the siren.
Then you are supposed to.
Then I'm supposed to run into the shelter, and as you can understand, I didn't do that because legally I don't need to do that. Is it smart?
Is it smart? Yes.
Yeah. Oh gosh, we are crazy. Don't leave Israel. Don't go back to Frankfurt. It's such a boring place there. It's green, excellent weather, nice people, excellent food. Stay here.
I would like to.
Don't worry, I will continue your mission. Then I asked her, because I'm using my telephone and I don't have the smart phone. I asked her if there's something new. She said that there was something south of Israel at the city of Ashdod, but nothing else here. You can hear the helicopters above us, but as you can see, people are leaving the place now. False alarm. I think it's last time at Dizengoff. Did we hear the siren? We heard the siren? Okay.
Yeah, you were discussing with the...
Oh yeah, fighting with security guy. Yeah. Then guys, I think 11 minutes of nothing is more than enough. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook and Instagram. It's the same title, The Holy Land by Zahi Shaked. You're the only one, you're the only tourist of mine for the last two years, then it's quite important for me. And write a comment. I'm not sure that I will be able to answer you immediately because my tension is not going to there, but I promise to answer each one of you. Bye-bye.